I'm Aaron with Erskine, and this is our HD Earth Auger. We've got a cast bale housing here that leads directly to the pins, all bolt-on replaceable, right into the gearbox that delivers all that high torque. This thing delivers up to 3,300 foot-pounds of torque and 72 RPMs. So, I mean, it's going to be able to dig pretty much any hole you're looking for, rated up to 48-inch bits. So I'm going to start here with our HD double-flighted dirt auger bit. As you can see, we've got 5/16-inch double flighting. What that means is that's going to hold, you can see the pitch spacing here, about 6 inches. So what that's going to do is when you're corkscrewing it down and you pull out, that's going to hold the dirt onto the actual auger flighting so you can move it to where you'd like the dirt to go, reverse it, shake it, drop off all the dirt. Some of the cheaper bits do a single flight, some of them do 9-inch spacing. And again, what that allows for is more dirt's gonna go back into the hole, it's gonna fall off, more cleanup, just more mess for everybody involved. As you can see here, you've got one of the main failure points on some of the auger bits is usually right here. People are pushing down on them, they're prying with them. As you can see here, we've got a double pass weld right here where the actual auger bit input meets the pipe, steel pipe all the way through. And also you've got welds on the top and the bottoms all the way through on this 5/16 flighting. Again, this thing is made to last. Drive-in replaceable teeth on the bottom, cast auger head. I put this tree bit in front of here so you can see these have the exact same bottoms, just a difference in flighting. So you can see here the way the build is, again, comes in a 2-inch hex or 2 9/16 round. Multitude of options for you to fit pretty much any drive unit on the market. So to cover the drive heads on both the HD double-flighted and the HD double-flighted tree bit, these carry the same cast inserted auger head here. And then here again is the cast drive-in replaceable teeth. The welds, again, all the way through, coming through all the way on the top, all the way on the bottom of all this 5/16 flighting. On the tree bit, 24 inches, multitude of sizes. Each one of these auger bits, the HD double-flighted is offered up to 36 inches. The HD rock bit double-flighted is offered up to 36 inches. And the HD tree bit, we go up to 48 inches. So you can see here the 24-inch flighting, and here you have a 12-inch flighting. You can see that's for your taproot. This is specifically for planting trees. So here we have the HD double-flighted rock auger bit. What you're going to see here is you've got 3/4-inch flighting. Then it moves down to 3/8 flighting as you move up the spiral. You can see it's hard-faced all the way through. So hard-faced on both the tooth holders, on the flighting, all the way from top to bottom. This is as good as it gets when it comes down to a rock auger bit. Again, up to 36 inches in size on this model. To upgrade to this Erskine HD Earth Auger, visit ErskineAttachments.com to find your local dealer.